Okay, students, this is a problem where you need to calculate the empirical and the molecular formula of a compound. Okay, so we have a question over here. Calculate the empirical and molecular formula of a compound having the following percentage composition. As you can see, the percentage of carbon is 26.59, hydrogen is 2.22%, and oxygen is 71.19%. Its vapor density is given as 45. So the first step is we write down the name of these elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, and we divide their percentage by their atomic number. Okay, sorry, the atomic mass. So 26.59, that is the percentage of carbon, divided by 12 will give you approximately 2.216. Likewise, the percentage of hydrogen is 2.22%, divided by the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, will give you 2.22. And the percentage of oxygen is 71.19%, divided by the atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16, will give us 4.45. Okay, so out of these three numbers, the next step is divide all these three numbers by the smallest one, and the smallest one, as we can see over here, is 2.216. So 2.216 divided by 2.216. Okay, so this is the first one. Second one is 2.22 divided by 2.216, and the third one 4.45 divided by 2.216. So this way we get 1 approximately. Over here also we get 1 approximately. We need to calculate the approximate value. We get 2 over here. Okay, so now the empirical formula becomes this: 1 is for carbon, so C1, no need to write down. This 1 is for hydrogen, so no need to write down 1 after H. This 2 is for oxygen, so we need to write down 2. So the empirical formula is CHO2. Okay, so after doing this, what we need to do is we need to calculate the empirical weight. Now to calculate the empirical weight, as you can see, the atomic mass of carbon is 12, and I have only one atom, so 12, plus the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and I have only one atom, so 1, plus the atomic mass of oxygen is 16, but since I have two atoms of oxygen over here, so 16 into 2. So 12 plus 1 plus 16 into 2 is 32, will give us 45. Okay, now the next one is to calculate the molecular weight. Okay, how will we calculate the molecular weight? From the vapor density. So there is a relation: molecular weight equals to 2 into vapor density. So vapor density is 45, so 2 into 45 will give us 90. So that is the molecular weight. After this, we need to find the value of N. Okay, what is N? N is the ratio between molecular weight and empirical weight. As you can see, I have written over there, N equals to molecular weight upon empirical weight. Molecular weight is 90, empirical weight is 45. So when you divide this, we get exactly 2. Remember, the value of N should always come in whole number, exact 2. Now next step, to find the molecular formula, we multiply the empirical formula by the value of N. Okay, so the empirical formula is CHO2. We multiply it with the value of N, which is 2. So in that case, the molecular formula becomes C, 2 ones are 2, H, 2 ones are 2, O, 2 twos are 4. So the molecular formula is C2H4 H2O4. So this is how we calculate the molecular formula.